Hi, my name is Olivia and this is my first episode of Live in the Kitchen. I'm here with my friend Sadie and today we're going to make a pavlova. A pavlova is a dessert and it's made of meringue and it has heavy cream on top and different kinds of fruit, and you don't want to use really sweet fruits because the meringue is pure sugar in itself. Let's go over the ingredients and get started. We're going to use 4 large eggs and they have to be room temperature. So now that we have our egg whites in the mixer, we're going to add a pinch of salt. So you need to start the mixer on low because if you put it too high, then it's just going to go everywhere. So now we're going to let the egg whites beat until it forms like mountain peaks and stands up by itself. What are we putting in next? So now that it's about done, we're going to be putting it back on the stir and we're going to be adding in 1 cup of sugar a little at a time. So now that we have our sugar, we're going to put it in. You're going to use the spoon to put it in. Okay, so next we're going to take the bowl out of the mixer and put in the rest of our ingredients. We're going to put 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. We're going to measure that out. 1 teaspoon. Now you're going to put, oh, I forgot to sprinkle it in. So you would want to sprinkle it in, so go ahead and sprinkle. Kind of like sprinkle it on top. So next we're going to add 1 teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Our final ingredient is 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. That's why you don't pour it over the bowl. Okay, so now that we have all of our ingredients in the bowl, we're gonna fold it. And the reason why you wanna fold all of your ingredients in the pavlova is because you want your meringue to be light and fluffy and you want all of the air to stay in. So I prepared this pan and it's got some parchment paper, and on the other side we put a 9-inch, we kind of traced a plate. That was about like a 9-inch like circle, and then we traced it with Sharpie, and then we flipped it over so then the Sharpie doesn't get on the food. We're gonna get this meringue to hold the corners down so then the flaps don't come up on your pavlova while it's baking. So we're gonna spoon in the meringue in the confinements of this circle. Now that your meringue is in the circle, you're going to kind of create a little texture and height. So you're going to use the spatula to kind of create little peaks and kind of like stand up more, and it keeps it more interesting in texture. Is it ready to put in the oven lid? Yes, it's going to be baking at 350 degrees for about an hour. All right, let's put it in the oven. Let's set our timers to 1 hour and then we'll wait. Okay, so now that our pavlova is cooled and out of the oven, we're gonna be whipping heavy whipping cream, and it's going to make fresh cream to put on top of our pavlova, and we're gonna be topping it with frozen raspberries. And you don't wanna add any sugar to your cream because the meringue is already like pure sugar, so you don't want to, you kind of want to balance it out with something that's not sweet. Okay, we're gonna put it in. And now you just want to dollop it on to your pavlova. And you don't want to spread it. Kind of just want to plop it on different areas because if you spread it, it might break the pavlova. And now we're going to put on our frozen raspberries. And now we're finished decorating.